Hey folks, William here, LRB Adventures. Today we've got a little bit of a different video for you. We want to bring you some sights and sounds, of course, of Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park. But the sights and sounds we're going to show you today are kind of off of the beaten path, I guess is the best way to put it. To take in the sights that normal guests are rushing by every single day when they come into the theme parks. I really love this theme park in the sense that there's so much to see that most people never get to take advantage of it. The walkways, especially around the Tree of Life, are very interesting. All of the walkways around Avatar or Pandora, without ever taking in an attraction, if you take a look at all the things that there is available just for the tranquility and the beauty of this park. It is so big, but there's so many things to see. I just wanted to give you kind of a collage of some different things, sights and sounds to be able to see, just to be able to take in. Of course, this is in Pandora. You could sit back here all day long and enjoy this type of atmosphere. The different waterfalls, water features, I guess is the best way to put it. No matter which way you turn, there's something new to see. So one thing Disney definitely did right back here was the theming. So no matter what, all of your senses are actually being involved here. The sense from the smells, the sounds, the visuals, all of these are combined in this area. And again, you don't have to partake in an attraction. You can literally just come back here and enjoy it. I think the best way for me is that whenever I come, I'm always looking for something different. And no matter where I look, I always seem to find it. If you take a look at some of the views I'm showing you now, 9 out of 10 times you may have never seen them and have walked right by them or near the path they are on. Now don't forget, the entertainment is free. Enjoy it. There are always street vendors, of course, and street entertainers throughout the theme park. Take it in, enjoy it. They are wonderful. And there's always a great chance you're going to see Kevin. Like I said, he's everywhere. Here is one spot that I really truly enjoyed. There are so many paths that go and intertwine around the Tree of Life, and it's always great to take in. And when the kids are in town, we will always have them check out the Tree of Life and see how many animals they can see in the tree itself. But there's wonderful paths. Now the paths do intertwine throughout all of the area around the Tree of Life, and there's many different animals or viewing areas for animals that you would never know are there unless you venture back here. If you are coming from the front of the park coming in, heading toward Pandora, if you get to the point to where you can see Starbucks, look for the right, and you will see paths leading down by the water. Take those. That is the start of all of these paths. Now at the end of the evening, I always like to end my night in the back of the theme park by Expedition Everest, back in that area. Just so the fact is, you can see it's already started raining a little bit, but nothing an umbrella can't take care of. But when you're back here and it's already starting to get dark, as you walk out, all of the areas look totally different and it takes a whole new vibe. I highly recommend doing that just to get a totally different experience. It's wonderful. You won't regret it. You really won't.